All right, welcome back, fellas. We have episode 8, I believe. I always forget, of Road to $1 Million portfolio. Today, we're looking at a nice bounce in the market. I'm not going to go too into depth, but I'm going to share what just played out, what I'm doing, and just a short little market update. So let's get into it. First of all, we're going to show the portfolio. We're going to show the overall portfolio, and then I'm going to go into my SUI DeFi portfolio. So yeah, we're sitting at 82,000 now. Last 7 days we're up pretty big, around $20,000. Mainly SUI. I mean, SUI just ripped. Nothing else is really doing much. SUI, DeepBook, Walrus is doing pretty good, but the SUI ecosystem is just blasting off right now, which I said was going to happen. Because this is the best chain there is. Look at this. Look at DeFi right now. 33% in the last month. 43% in the last 7 days. We don't see anything. We're gonna ignore Bitcoin because that's not even. I don't even know how they're measuring that. But yeah, I mean, this is just insane. What a crazy move by SUI. No other chain is doing this. It's really just SUI. It's taking over. And as you could see here, I'll show you in the SUI chart right here. It's just a massive move to the upside. Massive move. We're on the 4 hour. We'll go to the weekly just to show. The RSI is not even, at real overbought levels, but I mean, look at that candle. I mean, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's like something we got here. So yeah, I'm very bullish still. We have the US dollar, big move to the downside. We have global liquidity still at the top. I wonder if that's overlaid here still. No. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance still rising. We have altcoins still going down versus Bitcoin. Yeah, this is global liquidity. Kind of took a big hit for some reason. I mean, Fed liquidity. Not sure why, but might just be a temporary move to the downside. This is US money supply. We have total market cap starting to break out above that top Bollinger Band. So definitely good news. We're seeing a lot of things go to the upside. We're seeing Bitcoin especially looking very strong. And as you can see here, we're on the weekly. RSI is starting to break out of this bottom range that we saw here, back in August, and really these local bottoms. So, if we can keep holding support above, this 20-day moving average, 20-day EMA, we're gonna. I mean, I really think look at here. We stayed above this pretty much the whole bull run until we didn't, until we saw those local bottoms. So. I'm really bullish short term. I'm really bullish this year. We saw DeepBook make a huge move to the upside. Let's get rid of these Bollinger Bands just so you can see. But yeah, look at that. I mean, that's a crazy move. I think it might come back down a little bit, come back down to earth. But yeah, I mean, my DeepBook position just printed. Yeah, so we're sitting at $22,000 in here. Last week it was literally like 13, 14. I am going to keep buying, but I do not want to buy SUI anything more than $3.50 because my average sell price I think is a little over 7.5. So anything over $3.50 I'm not really getting more than a 2x. So I'd rather keep rolling that into DeepBook, Walrus, maybe some of my other positions. We'll see if some of them stay cheap, but I do really want to just continue with the cash flow model for now and not really touch a crazy amount of altcoins. Ethereum obviously maybe is going to be a no-brainer, something I'm looking to add to, but we'll see. I might add another ETH if I could, but yeah, I'm going to continue to DCA. If everything in here gets too expensive, then I'm going to start stockpiling more Bitcoin and then probably just SUI USDT. It's earning 6%, a little bit in SUI rewards, so kind of attractive. Not crazy, obviously, but better than nothing. And yeah, I mean Bitcoin too. I mean Bitcoin, you're earning 7% DeepBook, and you know it's essentially USD on crack. So I'm fine buying Bitcoin even during the bull market, and I'm fine racking up some USDC if we can, because it's always good to hold cash anyway. Can't really complain there, but I would like to buy more SUI if I can. And yeah, I really do hope we see a little bit of a pullback. I think we could see a pullback down to about the $3 range. Because as you could see here, we're on the 4-hour time frame, and the RSI just, it's at an all-time high. It's literally at an all-time high right now. So usually when we're overbought, it does come back down a little bit. I mean, we saw here where it's overbought, and then we kind of just consolidated. This is what I think is probably going to happen. You know, a huge bounce. Little bit of chop in this range. I think we could see down to where we started this breakout right here, around this $3 range. I think it's probably going to come back down to. So I'm definitely going to be looking to add more SUI in that range. But not doing anything crazy right now. I don't like buying when it's, you know, the market just ran up a bunch, because you know, ultimately it usually comes back down a little bit, especially when the RSI is at an all-time high. Like, it's never even, in the last 2 years, it's never even hit this. So at least on this time frame. But yeah, so I am waiting a little bit. We're gonna just keep printing in the meantime. We this week we're looking at, let me refresh this, $40, and we still have, it's only been not even 6 days, so we're probably gonna do about $45 this week in fees, which is almost $50 in free money every week. I guess you can see it's probably mostly DeepBook. Yeah, $25 free DeepBook. 21 actually, because we're in here. Actually, yeah, plus this. Yeah, almost $25 in free DeepBook. That's crazy. Plus, we're getting SUI, more SUI here. We're getting Walrus. We're getting even more SUI, even more SUI. Look, I get paid for borrowing money. That's crazy to me. That's crazy. This is the easiest thing of all time. So yeah, we're gonna keep compounding. Not much else to it, but these rewards are kind of cracked. I do wish DeepBook kind of drops a little bit so I can add more. But yeah, same with Walrus. You know, really just 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, this is what I really want to keep adding. NavX is actually kind of attractive too. I'm gonna show you guys real quick, because NavX it did run a little bit in the last week, but it's not like, you know, crazy expensive. We're still down a bunch on the year, and yeah, I mean, for 20%, if everything, you know, if DeepBook stays high and SUI stays high, you know, maybe NavX could be something to farm a little bit, because this token's gonna run hard. It definitely will. I do like Cetus too, the Cetus token, but NavX is doing good. Navi is strong. I mean, look at this, almost $500 million in TVL. It's crazy. Cetus obviously top decks, but yeah, Navi is very, very strong. It is a little bit behind SUILend, but I mean, I still love Navi token. It's going to run hard still, so I would be fine buying if I have to stop buying SUI. You know, maybe I'll add to some of these, but yeah, we'll see. Probably gonna be throwing a chunk in by next video, so stay tuned for that, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.